Alright people, I'm back with another vid, another sneaker unboxing, and guess what? It's a New Balance unboxing. Seems like these days I'm just turning into a New Balance / LeBron 7 channel, but anyways, we're back at it. This is actually a special collaboration with New Balance. But before we get into this video, please hit that like and subscribe, and feel free to follow me on Instagram down below to see how I style these beautiful sneakers. So like I said, this is a collaboration with Aime, Dore, and New Balance. As you can see, there is the box that these came in. Now, Aime Dore is a streetwear brand in New York. Actually, not really a streetwear brand, more like a kith, but you guys know what I mean. I mean, you can look them up. But anyways, this is their fourth New Balance they've done. They've done the 997, they've done 990 V2s, 990 V5s, and now these, which are the 827s. Now, I did actually take an L on these when these dropped. These came out last Friday for a retail price of $150. However, one of my friends hit and we actually made a trade. So that's how I was able to come up with these, because to be honest, I probably wouldn't have paid the resale price for these, because they're like at $350 right now, and like I said, I just wasn't going to pay $350 for these, but glad I found someone who could work out a trade with, and yeah, that's how I was able to get these. Anyway, sizing label reads ML827 ACD. I'm not sure why it says ACD and not ALD, but it's whatever. So yeah, this is a New Balance 827 in a size 10, and let's just break these out, and bang bang, here they are. So like I said, these are the Aime Dore New Balances 827s. Now, to be quite honest with you guys, I am not familiar with this 827 model. I didn't even know this existed before I saw them do this collaboration. But this is a New Balance running shoe. As you can see, we got the absorbed midsole, and right off the bat, this shoe is very lightweight. So you could definitely tell this would probably make a pretty decent running shoe if that's what you guys are trying to do, even though I think most people are probably going to be wearing these for lifestyle purposes, which I am definitely as well, because I don't even run in the first place. But anyways, as you can see, I got the red colorway. Now, there were two other additional colorways. There was a cream colorway that was the fan favorite. There was this red colorway, which I'm holding right here, and there was a yellow navy colorway. And I just thought this colorway was the best because I love the color red. The red definitely pops on here. And plus, this incorporates all the colors. So you get yellow, green, you get like a light blue, red, navy. So you get all the colorways, which the collab like represented. And I love wearing colors. I love stuff that pops. So it was a no-brainer for me that I would like this colorway. As you can see, the outsole, it kind of reminds me of like the Olympic logo back in like '96, I believe. Whenever it was held in Atlanta, I don't know. It just reminds me of the Olympic logo. Maybe I'm crazy, but as you can see, this is actually black and not navy. So we got yellow, black, green, red on the outsole. Cream color, actually. Yeah, this is like a cream whitish. It's not like a Coke white. It's more of a cream white for sure on the midsole. And then working our way up, the main materials on this shoe are going to be suede and mesh. Like I said, it's really lightweight, so that's where that mesh comes into play. The suede feels pretty good on here as well. I'm trying to compare it to some of the previous like New Balance collabs. It's not as good as the suede on the Joe Fresh Goods 992. However, the shoe was $150. That shoe was $260. I know I compare that shoe a lot, but right now that's just like my favorite New Balance shoe. So, and the materials on that shoe go absolutely crazy. So that's why I'm comparing this one. But the suede is very nice on these, especially for the original price point of $150. I definitely cannot complain. And then we work our way up. We got this mesh tongue right here, and we got our New Balance 827 branding. I absolutely love, sorry, stuttered there. But I absolutely love the way they tied in all the colors on this shoe. Like even on the tongue, you got this green outline, and you got the New Balance in yellow, then you got the 827 in this navy colorway. And then flip and dip on the back of the shoe, we got our only ALD branding as well with this yellow whatever this is called, pull tab, yellow pull tab. And yeah, I believe this is actually 3M, this ALD on the back. And then I believe we have some 3M hits right here, as you can see. So there is some 3M on this shoe to give it some pop as well. And then my only thing I don't like about these is definitely the insole. As you guys can see, this is an all-white insole. And my only complaint on this is that it's probably going to get dirty over time, which I guess isn't a big deal because I'm the only one who can see it. But I just don't really like white insoles on shoes because, like I said, it's going to get dirty and there's really nothing you can do to stop that. Especially like the insole, because the sock, I don't know what socks you guys wear, but like I know my red socks that I wear, the color rubs off. So this is probably going to be like red by the time I get done with them. But yeah, and like I said, it has this absorb midsole. That's like New Balance is like one of the like running technologies. Like I said, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I'm not too familiar with this model, but I really do like this shoe. Definitely something different. Now I did try these on, and if you guys have normal size feet, I would go a half size down if you're looking for these, solely because this shoe is very long. It is a little more narrow, but it's very long. So unless you have a wide foot, I definitely wouldn't go up. But if you have a wider foot, I think you'll still be good true to size just because this shoe runs so long. However, if your foot's like really wide, then maybe go up half a size. But normal size foot, I would go half size down. I've actually been going half size down to my 992s as well, because in my 990s, my foot was, I could definitely tell in the 10.5 it was a little big. I mean, it's not like too big, but I think a size 10 is my go-to size in New Balance from now on, because they do run a little long on the long hand side. But anyways, that was sizing. So yeah, if you guys want to grab these, I would recommend picking them up right now, because the thing about New Balance collabs is that they're very hype, and they sell for such like, the price variation is so different than other normal hype shoes, because there's only so many pairs, and a lot of people who buy these New Balance collabs buy them to wear them. It's not like an Off-White Nike collab where 50% of the people buying them are just gonna flip. So that means there's not gonna be many pairs out on the market. Like, you'll look at StockX and maybe like 50 pairs of these had sold, which is pretty low, and I'm not sure how many are in existence either. I know this pair and the cream pair only released on Aime on Dore web store, and then the navy blue and the yellow pair actually dropped at some like retailers as well. But this colorway and the cream colorway only release was online at Aime on Dore's web store. So yeah, those colorways are pretty limited, but still, these are at $350 right now, and like I said, they'll probably go up over time, just because people who buy them at that price will wear them, so then there'll be less dead stock pairs. Like the Joe Fresh Goods is a great example. That shoe is now a $700 shoe. I mean, it's just crazy because people buy them and wear them, and then less dead stock pairs. People with dead stock pairs can demand the high price. You guys get the drift. It's basic supply and demand. But anyways, yeah, so if you guys are interested in these, I would go buy them right now. And then before we end the video, we do have 2 spare laces. That's why I always love about these collabs is that they hook it up with laces. I know the Aime Dore 997s came with like 3 additional laces as well, because I had those previously. But anyways, we got a cream colorway lace right here, and then we have a white lace, and it kind of has all those colors on it like I mentioned with the shoe. So it's got like a yellow, red, and navy like hints going throughout the lace, which is very nice. I think I'm gonna toss these in. They just come with standard white laces in them. But yeah, definitely think I'm gonna toss these in, and I might hit you guys with an updated review. I don't know how much walking I'm gonna be doing now that I can't really go anywhere. But if you guys want, I will wear these when I go get coffee or whatever, and maybe I'll wear them for like a week straight, and I'll give you guys an updated review to see if they are worth your time and money. Because that's the best way to actually like review a shoe, to see how comfortable it is if you actually wear them. Obviously, if I try them on in the house and they feel comfortable, that's not really like a full review. It's not. It's just like me saying, oh, they feel good on feet, but let's see if I can actually walk 2 miles without my feet hurting. But yeah, so maybe I'll do an updated review. But other than that, I'm about to dip out of here. I really do like these, something different. Like I said, I've been on my New Balance game. So yeah, if you guys like these, StockX has them, and like the aftermarket sites as well. So that's gonna do it for me. You guys let me know what you guys think. Comment below if you guys are feeling this collaboration, if you like New Balance, etc. Tell me something new. But anyways, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.